Hey guys, what's up? It's Shubho here, and today we are going to learn about channel mixer, not mixture. So, channel mixer, and I already did a little bit about channel mixer when I was doing the adjustment layer video. Please check it out in the I button here and learn all about the adjustment layers in general. Today, however, we are particularly focusing on the channel mixer. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button, write down in the comments what you want to see next, and share it with your friends and family. And remember to subscribe. With that out of the way, let's go to the screen. So, as you can see, we already have our screen open, and we have duplicated the layer because that's a good practice. If you know, you know. So this is basically a RGB panel, and this is just to let you get used to the concept of channel mixer. So mixer, why am I saying mixture? Mixer. Anyway, we are going to go to the adjustment layer button here, and we are going to go to channel mixer, and this is it. So you will see here there is a thing called output channels, which is currently set to blue. It will, because I was playing around with it. Anyway, it will normally be set to red. So you have red, and we have green, and we have blue. And there are three sliders, and there is a constant. Okay, so what are these things? So red, blue, and green, the output channels, are basically colors that you are going to add to the image. And these three things right here, sorry, I forgot to close my drawer. These sliders are the pixels that you're going to add or subtract the colors from. And this constant layer slider is basically to add or remove color from the whole image. So let's start with this one because it's the easiest to understand. So we have the output channel as red. If I push this slider, you will see it's adding, we have it as blue. So it's adding blue or taking away the blue from the entire image. Okay, so the output channel blue, we have it at 0. So there's no color in the blue, and it's not bluish at all. If I move it to 200, as you can see, everything has a blue tint. So that's what constant does, it adds this color to the entire image. Okay, so we have it at 0 anyway. This is a red, green, and blue slider, and as you can see, the blue channel has blue 100, and the two sliders are non-existent, are 0. So basically, what it's saying is, in the blue pixel of the image, the blue color is at its fullest, as in the blue color is at 100% capacity of what the image actually came up with. So Photoshop did not add any color. Whatever color was there in the blue pixels, it's there at its intact form. Now, if you add color to it, it's going to increase saturation. As you can see, it's increasing its brightness a little bit. But if you remove the color, see, the blue pixels are now completely black. So this is what it is. Now I have made it 1000 for some reason. Anyway, and we go to the red channel, and it also says the red is 100 and the other two are 0 because that's what the image actually came up with. And then we have the green channel, which also says that same thing. Now, as I said, these are pixels and these are colors. So we have red, and let's say I want to add red to the blue channel, to the blue pixels. So I go to the output channel red, and I add red to the blue pixel, and it changes to magenta because that's what it is. So I'm going to revert back, Control Z. Okay, so let's say I want to add red to the green channel, and it's becoming yellow. Now it looks like the flag of Chad or Romania, whatever. I don't know. There are two flags that looks incredibly similar. Okay, so that's that. Let's revert. 0. Sorry, this is 0. Yes. So that's what it is. Now let's say I want to add green to the red pixels. See, it's now changing color to some yellow thing. So that's how you use it to color grade your image. Now, when you are editing an image, remember the 6 colors, the RGB, and the opposite to that is CMY. So when you are taking away red from a pixel, you are adding cyan. When you are taking away green from a pixel, you are adding magenta. And when you are taking away blue from a pixel, you are adding yellow. That's it. We are going to see this in an actual image right now. But this demonstration was just so that you can understand what is going on. Let me check if the audio is working. Yes. Last time I noticed the mic was unplugged just minutes before I finished recording. Anyway. So now I have this image. If you know me, you know that this is one of my favorite images. I took it in Puglia. When I took it, I did not notice it for like 2 years. And then I took it into Photoshop and I started editing and playing with it. I'm like, oh, this looks fantastic. Anyway, so first things first, we're gonna go Control J and duplicate the layer because that's what we do. We do not, under any circumstances, want to damage the original image. So then we're going to go to the adjustment layer icon and we're going to get channel mixer. So this is the image. Now I want this water to be a little bit cyanic. If you have seen my other images, I like it that way. So cyan, it's a little bit cyan. So we're going to add cyan. Now as I said, the opposite of red is cyan. So the opposite of cyan is red. So if I am going to add cyan to a pixel, I will have to take away red. Now where do I want to add the cyan? This area. What color is this? This is basically blue-green. So I'm going to have to take away red from the blue and green pixel, and we're going to see a cyan shift. So first of all, we are going to go to red channel because we want to take away red to add cyan from the blue pixels. And as you can see, it's already working. Now this looks a bit too cyan. Let's keep it over here. Yeah, this looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's go to the green channel and take the red from there. Oh, sorry, no, I'm taking the reds away from the. I'm taking green away from the red pixel. I am trying. So this is the same channel we'll be working with because I'm trying to take the red away from the green pixel, but I don't think this is looking good. So I think this is good, but let's do the green and let's take the green away from the green channels because it's too green. Okay, I think we can stop there, and we can still go to the red channel and make the blues a little bit more cyan. Okay, I think about this. So this looks cyan, this looks the greens look okay. Now the umbrella is a little bit brighter, so we are going to just increase a little bit red from the red areas, and we can just yeah. And maybe if we want, we can just add, like, remove a little bit of red from the whole image, maybe. Right there. Right there. And let's take the green color away from the green pixels. Red away from the green pixels. No, that's not working. And leave it where it was. Let's take the blue away. Let's take the green away from the blue pixels. I'm sorry. This is taking the blue away from the green pixels. Let's leave it there. Let's go back to the red channel. And let's keep it this at 0. We're going to add red to the green pixels. Right about here. This looks good. Yeah. So this looks good. Well, kind of looks good. Anyway, so as you saw, what I did there was I was trying to play with the red channel because I was trying to add cyan, but as I did not want to make it too cyany or too blue, I also added some red to the green pixels to make it look. If I add too much, as you can see, it's adding there, and if I add too little, it's making the entire image blue. So I'm going to keep it right over here. So these are the pixels that you are working with, and this is the color that you are working with. So let's say I take the blue channel, and let's say I take the blue away from the blue pixels. Let's see how that works. This is for fun, you don't need to do it, but let's see. So if I do that, what you will see is immediately it turns a bit yellow, because as I said, the opposite of blue is yellow. So if you will take away blue from any image, it will turn the image yellow. However, because I am working with the blue slider, which represents the blue pixels, this is only taking away the blue from the blue pixels. As you can see, the umbrella remains more or less untouched, and there is also a lot of green here. So it's only affecting the blue pixels because I am taking away the blue from the blue pixels. Let's say if I take away the blue from the green pixels, what happens? Okay, nothing. Maybe it's not visible here. Okay, so I just undid all the editing. But anyway, let's say I want to add red to the green pixels. Green to the red pixels. So as you can see, the umbrella is slowly changing color because I am adding green to the red pixels and the umbrella is red. If I take away the green from the red, if I take away the red, what slider am I playing with? I'm adding or removing green to the red pixels. Yes, so I have green and I have red slider. So when I'm taking away the green from the red pixels, the umbrella is turning magenta. And when I'm adding green to the red pixels, my umbrella is turning yellow because I'm adding green to that picture. Let's not do that. Let's say I want to add blue to the red pixels, and as you can see, it's changing color again. So this is the color that you are adding to this pixel. This represents the color, this represents the pixel, and this represents the color of the whole pixel. See, if I take it down, the entire image turns yellow because I have removed blue from the entire image. If I take it up, the entire image turns blue because I have added blue to the entire image. So let's do this. If you want it like a post story, let's say I want to take red, and I want to remove red from the entire image. Let's see how that works. So see, this image is practically, the umbrella has gone black because red was the main color, that I removed it completely, and the entire other image where there are hints of red has turned cyan. So this is to sum up. Channel mixers add RGB color to the selected pixels. It will only add color to pixels, selected pixels. So this output channel is the color, and these sliders are the pixels that you're trying to add or remove the color from. This constant slider basically adds or removes the color from the entire image, not from a particular pixel. So I will just repeat it. If you want to take the red away from a particular image, here from the blue pixel, I'm going to go to the red channel, I'm going to select the blue slider, I'm going to take away the reds, and you can see since the opposite of red is cyan, the water and the other parts which had predominantly blue in them is turning cyan. With that said, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.